Hi all, we are left with 4 more methods in arrays. We have for each, map, reduce and filter. Now in this section, we are going to learn about for each and map method. Now for each method is nothing but this method will be calling a function for every element present inside an array. And this will be the syntax for that array.forEach. Inside this, we are passing this function. Inside function, we have current value. Basically, the value which are present inside the array, index number, and this array third argument is which array we are using. And this value is optional and default value for this value will be undefined. In this, whenever we are passing the function, index number, array, and this second, third, and this arguments are optional. We don't have to pass this. We can directly give here current value and we can get the result. Practically, let us see about this for each. I have opened Visual Studio Code. Inside this, we are just going to see about for each and map method. First, let me just write here for each. Below this, I'm just going to create one array. Let A is equal to, inside this, I'm just going to pass some data. Let B is equal to, I will be writing for each syntax, array name dot for each. Inside this, we have to pass the function. I will be using fact arrow function. Inside this, the first argument is current value. Whatever name you want, you can give. It's not like you have to give current value. I will be using this fact arrow function, and here I just want to display this current value. I will save this. Now you can see I will be getting this result 2, 4, 6, 2 times 7, and here I am having 8. For 7, 2 it is displayed here. Now here if I just write here index, I will save this, and here I just want to display index. I will save. For each value, we will be having the index number. Now for this 7, we are having 3, 4 index. So 7 is split into different lines. Now our third argument is array. I will just write here array. And inside this, I just want to display array. I will save this. Now for each data, for this 2, I am having this index is used for this one. So this array will be displayed. Again this array. For each and every value, this array will be displayed. Basically, which array we are using, that array will be displayed. Now, if I just give here this value, and here I will just display this value. This is completely optional. I will save this. Now, you can see here for this value, we got the result as undefined. So, the default value for this is undefined. So, if we don't give, then also it's fine. These 3 are optional. All these 3 are optional. I will be removing from here. So what it will be doing? It will be looping through every element inside the array and it will be displaying the data. Now we are going to see about map method. Map method is similar to for each loop. In this, map method will also be looping through every element inside the array, but we can add some additional functionality and it will be returning the new array. And it is not going to change the original array. And this map method will also call a function once for each element in an array. Syntax will be same. Instead of for each, we will write the map method. And also I will be telling you the difference between for each and map. Now let me just copy the same thing and here I will be pasting that. I will just change the variables. C. Here I will write D and here I will write C. This is map method. Now here I am just changing it to map method. I will save this. Now you can see for each also I have got the same result. For map also I have got the same result. Let me just write here log so that we don't get confused. For each, copy, and inside this I'm just going to paste and this is our map method. I will save this. Now you can see for each also same result, map also same method. Now what is the difference between them? They will be taking the same arguments, index, array. I will just display here, comma, index, comma, array. Same I will copy, and inside this I'm going to paste, and also here I'm going to paste. I will save this. Now you can see each and every output is same. First we are having 20, then array. For map also we are having 20 array. 41 array, 62 array, same data. Everything is same. Then what is the difference between for each and map method? You can see this map method will be creating a new array from calling a function for every element, and this will be running for each and every element, and this will not change the original array. What that mean is, now if I just want, now for each number I just want to multiply with 2. I can do this using map method, but I cannot do same with for each method. Let me just remove this one. And also we have seen about this. These all are optional. No need of writing this one. And here I will just write here return, and inside this I just want to return this current value plus 2. Now what I have done, for this every current value I am just adding plus 2. Now inside this I just want to display B. I will save this. Now you can see the result I got is undefined. In this for each loop, each and every element I will be looping, and I will be printing the data. I cannot do this inside this for each loop. But the same thing if I just repeat in map method, I will paste it here. Now I just want to display D. I will save this. Now you can see it will be returning new array, and inside this array every element will be added plus 2. You can see 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. I will be getting this data. Inside this is the difference between for each and map method. For both we are going to get the same result, but for each loop we cannot do any extra step. If I want to multiply that array with any number, I cannot do that inside for each. But inside map method, we can do that one, and it will be returning the new array. That's what our definition says. It will not change this original array. It will just return the new array. Now if I just display C here, it is not going to change my C. It will be as it is. It is just going to return me the new array with the value I have returned here. So this is the current value what we have displayed here, 2, 4, 6. Every time one by one the value will be displayed. Now what I have done, to current number I have just added 2. So I will be getting this result. I can do anything here. I can just write here multiplication by 4. I will save this. Now each and number will be multiplied by 4, and I will be getting this result. But same thing I cannot do in for each loop. I will be getting undefined. I will save this. Now you can see I will get the data as undefined. So this is only the basic difference between for each and map. Rest everything is same. The syntax remains same. Rest everything is same. Only one difference, that is inside map we can perform the calculations for our current value, but inside for each loop we cannot do that stuff. We can only loop through elements and we can display that one. So this is about for each and map method. Next we will see about filter method and reduce method.